How many answers can you get right in this English grammar quiz for intermediate learners? Welcome to English with Aga. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to improve your English grammar and get your free English grammar booklet from the video description. Okay, let's get this quiz started. I live, lived, or have lived in this city for 5 years. I love living here. Which answer is correct? I have lived in this city. Because I'm saying I love living here, this sentence means that I still live in this city. So I'm talking about the whole period of time between when I moved here and now, including now. So I need the present perfect tense. If you want to learn more about the present perfect, you can watch another one of my videos, which I have linked in the video description. Question number 2. If it rains, will rain, or rain tomorrow, we will cancel the picnic. Which answer is correct? If it rains tomorrow. So this is the first conditional. The first part of the sentence is the condition. If this condition is met, something else will happen in the future. So in the first conditional, the condition needs to be in the present simple, and the second part of the sentence is in the future simple. So if it rains, we can't have will after if. Question number 3. My new book will publish, will be published, or will be published next month. Which answer is correct? Will be published. So this is the passive voice, and we're talking about the future. So the book is actually not doing anything. Somebody else will do something to the book, which means we need the passive voice. And the passive voice in the future involves will, be, and the past participle. So will be published. It just means that somebody will publish my book. Question number 4. You should have gone to sleep earlier. Is this sentence about the present, the past, or the future? This sentence is about the past. It means that you didn't go to sleep early, even though it was a good idea for you to do it, but you didn't do it. So we use should have in this situation to say that something was a good idea, but you didn't do it. So with should have, we need the past participle as well. So should have gone to sleep. The past participle is the third form of a verb. And the final question is, when I was a child, I used to play, used to played, or used to playing football every weekend. Which answer is correct? I used to play. So used to is to talk about something that you did in the past, but you don't do it now. After used to, we just need the verb in its basic form. So used to play. I have a separate video about used to and would, and I've linked it in the video description, so make sure you watch that as well. How many answers did you get right? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to get your free English grammar booklet from the video description, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on improving your grammar. And I'll see you next time. Bye!